No blinker. Dash cam. Do you see that? Got him. I got somebody not using their blinker, everybody. First dash cam experience ever. Hey everybody, Jordan from Wheels by the Ocean here. We have just been sent out by Viofo. Viofo, a 2K dash cam, tiny dash cam. We've travelled all around Australia with no dash cam. Obviously we've been YouTubing and GoPro and everything, but we didn't either see really anything dangerous happen on the road. But I watched so much of Dash Cams Australia. I watched so much of that show on YouTube that I can't believe I've never had a dash cam before. So we finally got one here. It's called the VS1 by Viofo. I'll put all the links and stuff in the description. But I don't know, we're keen as. I'm going to show you heaps of footage of this as well, just to like show you how it works. Unboxing, professional unboxing going on here. There is, of course we're going to take the camera out first. There is the camera that's going to be sitting just on the windscreen, which I'll show you where I'll put that. Bit of 3M tape on there, so it's just sort of going to last forever, that thing. Hell yeah. Inside the GWM Canon L, you've got a USB port off the back of the mirror here. So I'm just going to use that. I did actually, in this kit, I'll show you, they've given me a hardwire kit for it. So I can plug that into the battery, so then that's running all the time. So that means that it would be recording while the car's off. I'm not going to install that yet because I don't like running wiring all up down the windscreen and stuff. I'm not too keen to do that at the moment, but I am keen to get that dash cam going for when we're driving the car. So that means every time we turn it on, the USB will give this power and it'll start recording. So there we go. It's a nice small camera. It's just going to sit neatly up here. Inside the box, here we go. I've got it all unpacked. So inside the box of the tiny dash cam, you've obviously got the dash cam there. You've got a spare 3M sticky double-sided tape for if you want to mount it in some other car later on. Big ass long USB-C cord, plus a cigarette lighter if you want to plug it into a cigarette lighter. We've got another USB cord. Oh yeah, it's a nice short one. That's probably what I'm using because obviously, as I said, I'm going to put it up here. So that's probably what I'll use. A couple of these little sticky static thingamajigs that can go onto the windscreen, maybe for where you mount it. I'm not going to use those, don't really know what they're for. Anyway, whatever. Comes with instructions and then a read before install and just some stuff about is the camera together properly or whatever, which I'll have a look and make sure it's all in good condition. First of all, we're going to throw that SD card into the side of the camera. Some optional extras. This one here is the wireless Bluetooth remote control. So that is like if you're like, you just see a crash or you just had an accident or something, you can bang on that and then it will make sure none of the video gets deleted. Otherwise, you do have that same button on the side of the camera, I think, somewhere. So it must be that one on the back there. But I'll read the instructions, give you some more information on that. Then we've got a polarized lens, which is probably going to be pretty good. I might throw that on that, just so it gets, you know, so better footage, not so much sun glare. You know, so optional extras. Then the hardwire kit. So this is optional as well. Probably going to save that for a later date if I feel that I need that, which I wouldn't mind it because it's even like an added security camera for your house. Like if something was to happen on the street and you've got the camera rolling in the car all the time, that might be handy. But today, we're just going to be using the USB because it's so handy on the GWM that it's right there. Bang, bang. Very easy install. All right, first things first, let's grab this little mini SD card out. MicroSD. 32 gigabyte, straight inside of the camera. We'll pop that in there, and that's where that can live. Clicked in. Is it going to be this easy? I hope it's just going to be this easy where I just plug it in and turn it on. Let's see. All right, we're going to get our little short cord, bang it in the side of the USB-C, plug it in up here, straight into the mirror. And what's it do? I'm freaking out. Wonder what I have to do here. Oh, I got to turn the key on, mate. Come on. Turn the ignition on. Oh, we got power. Little red lights come on. I don't know what it's doing. Is it recording right now? I wonder. Maybe I should read the instructions a bit more. Oh, made a noise.
Recording started.
Oh, recording started. It told me. I didn't even have to think about it. Hello. I just found a little feature on the side that you press.
Voice recording enabled.
Enabled. So what's going to happen is when I'm usually recording, and then if I'm like want to have a conversation that's like doesn't need to be recorded or some shit like that, you're going to press the little microphone button on the side.
Voice recording disabled.
Boom, that's pretty cool. Cool Bluetooth remote control that comes with it. So it's actually a nice looking little remote. This is an extra, optional extra, but the camera's over here just hanging on the dash here. Here it is, right? But look, anywhere in the car, I could just have that. So it might be a bit easier to press than trying to find the camera or whatever, but you can press that.
Video protected.
Video protected. Just pressing that little thing. Otherwise, on the dash cam itself, you don't have to have this thing. You don't have to, because this is going to be sitting, facing like that away from the driver anyway, and you can just press it there. Boom.
Video protected.
Video protected. I feel like it's a really easy install if you're just going to bang it straight into the USB socket and away you go. Cool thing about that is we use that USB for nothing else, so it can just stay plugged in 24/7. Oh, I'm pretty happy if that's all the install takes. I don't wish it upon the world, but now that I've got a dash cam, like somebody crash in front of me so I can put on dash cams Australia. It'd be really cool to have some footage for them. Just a little crash, no one gets hurt. Just a little, or cut somebody off, or a road rage. Something that we can record, because it, you know, good. All right, so I'm not sure what I just did then, but I read the instructions and it said you had to format the SD card first. So what do? Once your SD card's in, you push and hold the microphone button for about 10 seconds. Then it beeps and it says, memory card format successful. So there's circular polarized lens filter. Circular polarizing lens filter, okay. Open that one up. Oh, it's a tiny little lens inside. How does that one work? Does it just stick straight on? How does it clip on? Oh, it clips on around the camera. Oh, everything's pretty easy with this. I'm used to like things being annoyingly difficult. So that looks like it just clips on around the camera, around the actual lens. So I will, oh my God, I'm gonna take this cover off now. I don't want to take that off. Took that off. Then I'm gonna take this one. No fingerprints in there. Clip it on. Is that it? Oh my God, that was easy. Just clip it on, line it up. That's it, it's polarized now. Let's see the difference. I've still got that little bit of plastic on there. I'm gonna leave that on there until I get it all fitted up to the thing. Anyway, I've got this icy coal, which is rubbing alcohol and a paper towel. I'm gonna spray and wipe the windscreen, perhaps, where I want to put it. That looks like we'll get full spread of the whole windscreen. I can't see it because of the mirror. That's sick. That's where I'm gonna put it. All right, I'm gonna clean it up and put it there. Oh my God. Yeah, can't see it. Oh my God. Okay, it's on. I'm gonna push a hold on that for about 30 seconds. Some nice pressure. All right, that's my wiring, guys. Hope you can see that okay. But it, I was able to run it into the roof lining. Oh no, it looks pretty neat. I like it. I'm happy with it. All done. Yeah, let's take that little plastic thing off. There you go.
Recording started.
Recording started. Okay, there we go. All right, that's what I wanted to hear. I want to go for this drive right now because I want to see how it works. I'm really keen. Right, this is like my own little feedback. My initial reaction. I don't know which audio I'm going to use yet, either on the GoPro or on the actual dash cam. Wonder which one's got the better microphone. Surely the GoPro, right? I'll put them both on there because you probably want to know what the audio sounds like on it, right? Usually when you're watching dash cams Australia, you just hear anyone just like they're either singing along to their song, bap, dip it up, or they're swearing. Get over you effing mother. You know when you get cut off in a roundabout, some of those videos someone gets cut off. I'm just bitching about dash cams Australia while I'm testing out my dash cam. But someone gets cut off and then you just hear old mate just bogan screaming out swearing every swear word. I'm like, oh, I kind of don't want all that swearing. I just want to like enjoy the car crash. Anyway, so far so good. Cut me off, mate. Cut me off. I'll get you on dash cam. Oh no. Why don't you guys cut me off? Yeah, cut me off, mate. Cut me off. Oh, spewing, whatever. Let's go down here. Just going for a little putt around. Bit of water, splash through that. All over the windscreen, there you go. Oh no, what's this bloke doing? See, this is why you got to have a dash cam, because this guy's just drinking beers. Oh my God, a dingo just ran out in front of me. See what I mean? That's why you need a dash cam, guys, because you guys would have never experienced all that. Yeah, cheers, mate. Have a good one. Alright, let's get home. That's enough of this crazy dash cam testing. I want to get home, go and enjoy the rest of my afternoon. It's Sunday today. Sorry I didn't do any burnouts on this video. It's not a good time. There's lots of cars around. Not that I do burnouts, but like if we found like a nice sandy patch or a nice dirt patch, we could have, you know, just showed what the dash cam looks like when you're doing 360s. There we go. Oh, let's get someone at the top cut me off. Alright, oh, you're driving a bit to the left there, mate. I'm a dash cam person now. I'm a dash cam man! Dash cam man! I wonder if this has a speed on it. Surely not. Do you reckon it's got speed on it? Because I'm not speeding or anything, but does it got the speed on it? Polarized. Let's see how we go. No blinker! Dash cam. Do you see that? Got him. I got somebody not using their blinker, everybody. First dash cam experience ever. Yes. Yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed me installing the dash cam. I don't know what you couldn't enjoy about that movie. That was lots and lots of fun. I promise you I've got more travel stuff coming. We've got 2 trips booked in June. I promise we've got some really cool stuff coming. There'll be a bit more four-wheel drive in that kind of gear, but right now I have a few things that I'm trying to review. I want to keep making movies, but I don't know what to make them about, so I'm like, well, I might just review a few products, you know, because I'm an influencer now, right? Influencing you guys to buy dash cams, I guess. As long as this footage looks good. As long as this footage looks good, so far so good. It's all working perfect. Alright, I was just about to edit this video and then I'm like, hang on, the time and the date and everything's incorrect on the playback footage. So I'm just going to, I just found in the book, there's an app for it. And you can actually do playback with your phone. So let's install this app. Legend. I will open that up. Allow it to do everything, because that's what we do. Got to allow it to do all your stuff. All right, connect your camera. So we're going to go to the car now and go connect. All right, so I'm just out in the car. It's night time, so I've got a little light because I'm a professional recorder now. So we've got that, like we said inside just then. Connect your camera. Searching for camera. Oh, we're going to turn the ignition on then, so the camera can turn on. All right, I figured it out. The button right there on the front of the camera, they're the one that you press to save your video. When you usually single press, you push and hold that for ages, for about 5 seconds. The one that I said. And the one that Danica said, there it is there. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wi-Fi connected.
Oh, listen to it. It's talking to us now. Voicecontrol.com. Oh my gosh. There's my house. Switch camera. No. Let's go into this. Oh, look, you can play it all back when you're sitting in the car. So I'm just connected. So this is not connected to the internet. This is Wi-Fi straight from the camera to my phone. All right, this is very exciting. We're going to find the video of Danica. She said something terrible happened to her today and I want to see it.
This intersection.
Oh.
It's here.
All right, Danica's going to stop at the stop sign. Then has someone got the blinker on and turn left, have they?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god, yeah. Danica almost had a crash.
No, I didn't. He almost had a crash. I was fine. With everything I was doing, I'm perfect.
You would have been involved in the crash though, yeah?
Not through anything I was doing.
No, that's not what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm going to try to set the time and date. So let's go into settings. And we're going to go into... So loop recording. Each loop is 1 minute. Yeah, so we can leave it at that for now. It records audio. I can turn that off in here. I hope you guys can see this okay. You know how GoPros go with recording phones. G sensor, low sensitivity. Okay, if you get into a crash, the camera will automatically start recording.
That's probably why I did that.
It's when you slam the brakes on. But it constantly records anyway when you're driving. Very annoying. Alright, date format. Day, month, year. Yes. Time synchronization. Are you sure you want to sync the phone? Yes. So we're time synchronization, so it's syncing with my phone now. What was the other thing? I wanted it in kilometers, not miles per hour. There we go. Speed unit. Kilometers per hour. How good's that? GPS is on. Speed. The coordinates. Okay, speed and coordinates is on the GPS info stamp. camera. Shit, you can do heaps of cool stuff in here. Mad. Alright, that's heaps good. Cool bananas. You can change the resolution as well if you want it to do worse, but I've got it on maximum at the moment. Why would you not? I guess to save space on your memory card. But anyway, that's all working. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm out of here. Catch us later. Go catch the channel Wheels by the Ocean, alright? Heaps of stuff. GWM going around Australia. See you guys.